This is just a quick look at Baserun. I haven't dug too deep into their other features, but they have really good logging and monitoring for your API calls to platforms like OpenAI for large language models. So if you go ahead to baserun.ai, sign up, and then go to the settings page, create yourself a new token. I'll call mine test. Created. Copy it, and then depending on if you're on Windows or Mac, you will need a different terminal command to run. I'll put them both in the description, but I'm on Windows, so I'll be using this one. Open command prompt, paste in the key, and hit go. Perfect. Also, while you're here, if you have Python installed, you can go pip install Baserun to get it installed. For me, it's already installed, so it's not going to happen. If you're on Mac, you may need, if you're on Windows, you may need to restart after you set up your environment key. I'll go ahead and close that down, and we're all set. So now if we go into our code, I'll write up a little script here. So I've just put together this simple script here where we have where at the top we're importing Baserun and OpenAI. We're running baserun.init. This will initialize Baserun, and then we have our function here to call ChatGPT or the OpenAI API, and we're using the decorator beforehand, baserun.trace. Let me just tidy that up a little bit. Now down here I'm just passing in this simple message of hello, how are you? And I am running it, so let me go ahead and call this in the terminal. Pull this up so you can see it a bit. And it's returned, hello, I'm a large language model developed by OpenAI, I don't have feelings, all the usual stuff you can expect from OpenAI. Now if we go ahead to baserun.com again, find it, we go to the monitoring section on the side. Now you can see the other calls I've been making in earlier today or yesterday, but if we look at this top one here, this is the response we just got before from ChatGPT. So if I click open here, it's logged all these details here. So the output, the number of tokens in the output, the messages that were passed into it, the settings, the parameters that were set, and the cost in dollars, or cents in this case. There's also, I'm not sure if you can see, let me squeeze this in a little bit. Yeah. There's also this little vial button here. If you click on this, it will take you to their playground. Their playground for developing prompts is far better than OpenAI's standard playground. You can go ahead here, add new messages, you can inject variables for different inputs that you might want in your prompt. So you can, I'll give you an example, tell me about, and then topic. Now if I add a few entries off to the side here, I can say Python, JavaScript, command line, and then if I hit run all, it will show me the output that I'll get from this prompt using the three different varying inputs. Yeah, so that's how you use Baserun. The tracing feature is absolutely awesome. They're only a new startup, so please go ahead and give them your support. They seem like really good people. Yeah, check it out.